Giles Montessori and School. Dear students, Giles Montessori and School has developed this program of difficult words with their meanings for English language book for grade 9, 2025 syllabus from National Book Foundation for Federal Board. This will help you to prepare for your reading and comprehension question in board exam. We hope you would like it. Let's start. Unit 2. Difficult words and meanings. Entrepreneurship. Karobari Maharat. The skill of starting and running a business. Financial, Mali. Related to money. Independence. Khod Makhtari. The state of being free from control. Sustenance. Guzara. The ability to maintain or support oneself. Legitimate. Jaiz. Allowed by law or rules. Acumen. Soj-booj. The ability to make good decisions. Ambitions. Azaim. Strong desires to achieve something. Empowerment. Bakhtiyari. Giving power or confidence to someone. Perspective. Nukta nazar. A way of looking at something. Motivated. Muttahar. Encouraged to do something. Consider. Gaur karna. To think carefully about something. Entrepreneurial. Karobari. Related to starting a business. Wisdom. Danai. Deep knowledge and good judgment. Melanated. Gehre rangat wali. Having darker skin due to melanin. Appreciate. Qaddar karna. To understand and value something. Heritage. Vartha. Traditions and culture passed down. Traditions. Rawaya-e customs and beliefs followed over time. Creativity. Takhliqi salahiyat. The ability to invent new ideas. Impressive. Shandar. Causing admiration or respect. Experiences. Tajribat. Knowledge gained from doing things. Mission. Maqsad. A strong purpose or goal. Community. Bradry. A group of people living together. Awareness. Agahi. Knowledge about something. Narratives. Kahaniya. Stories or descriptions of events. Profit, Manafa. The money made in business after costs. Realized. Idrak hua. Understood something clearly. Passion. Jazba. A strong love or enthusiasm for something. Entrepreneur. Karobari shakhs. Someone who starts a business. Cultural. Thaqafati. Related to traditions and customs. Introduce. Mutaarif karana. To bring something new. Connecting. Jurna. Making links or relationships. Sustainable. Paidar. Able to continue for a long time. Feedback. Rai. Opinions or responses about something. Challenges. Chillings. Difficulties or problems. Overcoming. Kabupana. Successfully dealing with difficulties. Competitive. Musabakati. Involving competition or rivalry. Opportunities. Mawaka. Chances to do something good. Support. Madad. Helping or backing up someone. Failure. Nakami. Not succeeding in something. Example. Mithal. A model or case to follow. Encourage. Hausala afzai karna. To give support or confidence. Develop. Taraqi karna. To grow or improve. Achieving. Hasil karna. Succeeding in reaching a goal. Uplifting. Hausla afza. Making someone feel better or stronger. Financially. Mali taur par. Related to money. Respectable. Qabil azit. Worthy of respect. Recognition. Pehchan. Being known or accepted. Persistence. Thabit qadami. Continuing despite difficulties. Dedication. Lagan. Deep commitment to a task. Inspirational. Hausla afza. Motivating and encouraging. Independently. Azadana. Without needing help. Aspiration. Khawahish. A strong desire to achieve something. Networking. Ta'alluqat banana. Making useful connections with people. Resources. Wasail. Useful materials or support. Investments. Saramaya kari. Putting money into something for profit. Strategic. Hukmat amali se. Planned for success. Commitment. Wabstagi. A promise to do something. Initiative. Pahel. the ability to start something new. Guidance, रहनुमाई, help or advice. Influence, ether, the power to change something. Balance, tawazun, a state of stability. Determination, azam, strong willpower to achieve something. Dedication, wakaf karna, fully giving time or effort. Focus, toja dena, paying close attention. Leadership, qiyadat, guiding or directing others. Vision, nadariya, a clear idea of the future. Productivity, पैदावारी salahet, doing a lot efficiently. Sustainability, पायदारी, long-term continuation. Management, intizam, organizing and controlling things. Confidence, khud-atimadi, belief in oneself. Ethical, ikhlaqi, morally right or fair. Decision making, faisala sazi, the process of making choices. Responsibility, zimmadari, a duty to take care of something. Marketing, promoting and selling products. Advertising, tashheer, publicizing products or services. Expansion, tosiyah, growing or increasing. Innovation, jadid, creating new ideas or methods. Customer, gahik, a person who buys something. Supplier, supplier, someone who provides goods or services. Production, paidawar, the making of products. Revenue, amdani, money earned by a business. Negotiation, gafat wa shanid, discussion to reach an agreement. Transaction, len-den, a business deal or exchange. Globalization, alamgiri, spreading of businesses worldwide. E-commerce, online karopar, buying and selling online. Diversification, tanawwu, expanding into new areas. Franchise, a business model allowing others to use a brand. Entrepreneurial mindset, karobari zehniyat, thinking like a business person. Workforce, afradi koot, employees in a business. Logistics, rasad wa tahsil, managing transportation and supplies. Growth, taraqi, increasing in size or success. Branding, creating a unique identity for a business. Technology driven, technology par mabni, powered by modern technology. Innovation strategy, ikhtirai hukmat amali, a plan to create new ideas. Crowdfunding, awami sarmaya kari, raising money from many people. Competitor, mada muqabil, a rival in business. Sponsorship, sarpresti, financial support for promotion. Self-reliance, khud-inhisari, depending on oneself. Empathy, hamdardi, understanding others' feelings. Simplicity, sadagi, the quality of being easy and clear.